In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert WPS Office to PDF. If you work in WPS Office, whether that's Writer for documents, Spreadsheet for data, or Presentation for slides, turning your file into a PDF is quick and reliable. PDFs preserve your layout, fonts, and images, so what you share is exactly what others see, even if they don't have WPS installed. First, open the file you want to convert inside the relevant WPS app. Give it a quick review to make sure everything looks the way you expect. Headings, images, and page breaks, because your PDF will mirror what's on your screen. Next, go to the top left corner of the window and click either Menu or File, depending on your version. This opens the core document options. You don't need to use Print to PDF or any external tool. WPS includes a built-in exporter that gives you more control and cleaner results. Choose Export to PDF. This brings up a settings panel designed specifically for creating a polished, shareable copy. Here's where you tailor what gets included. Start with the page range. If you need the entire document or deck, choose All. If you only want a subset like a few pages from a report or selected slides, switch to a specific range so you export only what matters. This keeps the final file focused and smaller. Then set the file quality. Standard is optimized for a smaller file size, and fast sharing, ideal for email or uploading. High prioritizes image clarity and sharpness, which is helpful when your content includes detailed graphics, charts, or photos, or when you expect someone to print the PDF. If you're undecided, try standard first. You can always re-export at high if images need extra crispness. When your settings look good, click Export. You'll be prompted to pick a save location. Choose a folder you can find easily, give the file a clear name, adding a version or date can help, and confirm the location so you don't need to search for it later. Finally, click Save. WPS will process the export and create your new PDF in the folder you selected. You're done. Your WPS file is now a PDF created with the built-in export tool. For peace of mind, open the saved PDF and skim a few pages to confirm the layout, fonts, and images look correct. If you notice anything that needs tweaking, like page range or image clarity, repeat the export with adjusted settings. Thanks for watching. Try this on your next document, sheet, or slide deck and enjoy smooth, consistent sharing with a professional-looking PDF every time.